Can you change a life insurance policy owner? Have you ever wondered if you can change the owner of a life insurance policy? This is an important question for anyone managing their life insurance. Let's break down how this works and what you need to know. Yes, you can change the owner of a life insurance policy through a process called ownership transfer. This means you are giving all rights and control of the policy to someone else. It is important to note that this transfer is usually permanent. Once you complete the transfer, you will no longer have any control over the policy. There are a couple of methods to transfer ownership. The most common way is called absolute assignment. In this case, the current owner, known as the assigner, permanently gives all ownership rights to a new owner, called the assignee. The new owner can then change beneficiaries, adjust coverage, make premium payments, or even surrender the policy for its cash value. Sometimes, ownership is transferred to specific entities, like funeral homes. This is often done to prepay funeral costs or for Medicaid planning. When this happens, the funeral home becomes the legal owner and can use the death benefit to cover expenses directly. To change the owner, both the current owner and the new owner must agree to the transfer. You will need to notify the insurance company and provide necessary information, such as names, addresses, and dates of birth. The insurance company will then update its records to show the new owner. Changing the owner of a policy has several implications. The new owner takes on all rights and responsibilities, including making premium payments and designating beneficiaries. The original owner loses all rights to the policy, benefits, and control over it. This means that any future changes to ownership or beneficiaries can happen without the original owner's knowledge. It is also wise to consider potential tax implications when transferring ownership. Consulting a tax advisor before making any changes is a good idea. There are various reasons someone might want to transfer ownership. You might want to relieving yourself from managing the policy or for financial reasons. Sometimes, it is done to allow another person or entity to handle payments and administration. Additionally, transferring ownership can help with prepaying funeral expenses or protecting assets under Medicaid rules. If you are hesitant about transferring ownership, consider changing the beneficiary designation instead. This allows you to redirect death benefits without losing ownership or control. Some policies may offer alternatives to a full ownership transfer, so it is best to discuss your options with your insurance agent. In summary, changing the owner of a life insurance policy is possible through a formal transfer process. This action has significant consequences, including the loss of rights by the original owner, so it should be approached with care. Understanding your policy document and keeping clear communication with your insurer can help ensure a smooth process.